Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing us an easiest way we can use in buying glass on Cheelee. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So the very first thing you need to do is you go to market, okay? So down here, you go to the market. Once you select market, you look at the glass you want to buy. So for me, I want to buy the $30 glass, okay? Let me scroll down. Okay, so you can see it here. So I want to buy the $30 glass, which you can see here and here. Okay, so all I need to do, just select any one of it. Just all I need to select just one. Okay, you can see this one here. So these are the glasses I'm buying. So I'll just choose one. So I'll choose this. Then all I need to do is click on buy. Okay, so once you click on buy, make sure your currency is on USD, as you can see here. Okay, make sure your currency is on USD. Then you select Binance Pay. Alright, select Binance Pay. Okay, so once you select Binance Pay, the next thing you do, click on buy. After selecting Binance Pay, click on buy. Alright, so you see the total amount to be paying to show up. Okay, just click on just once. Fine, so this is going to take you to Binance. Then you can be able to make a payment. Okay, fine, so we are here. So what you will do is, you see it's showing you already, you're going to pay about $31.37 to get your glasses. So all I need to do is click on continue. Alright, so once you click on continue, it loads up for you. Okay, so at this point, you just put your pin. So once you put your pin, you then proceed. Okay, so here you can see it's loading up now. It's loading up, shows payments successful. Okay, you can see this is very fast. So all I need to do now is go back to Cheelee to check my glass. It's loading up again. Okay, so it's loading. Let's wait a bit. Voila, you can see here shows success. So I now have a new glass. Okay, the last thing I will do is to make sure I choose the strategy I want to use. Alright, so all I need to do right now is just to click on the mix. Here you have the mix. So here we'll have stability, we'll have mix, but I prefer to go mix. Alright, so I prefer to go mix. Alright, so all I need to do is here and then choose strategy. I choose strategy here. Okay, so choose strategy. So it shows the strategy for digital glass is successful. So that is it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.